nani bantu bami musana ukuhlala nilinda bayeni kazi ukhamsephi ubani lo wami kazi ukhamisephi la ikhamise khona uzubhale on stage kazi ukhamise ayibo uyofika ekhamisile ngiyakutshela mkhamisise nje wena eloku ekhamisile uzofika ekhamise ngempela athi noma esephambi kwakhe afika I'm telling you amen yeah build yourself bantabam build yourselves be on fire for Jesus no matter what people say you have mistakes everybody does but as long as you are repentant in your heart jump inside and do the work of God sikhona we are willing to train you ukuthi niba bashumayela abaqotho abantu abazokwenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu ngokuthembeka